lane 1 will be M&D Mechanic. In lane 2, Bow Movement. In lane 3, We Be Stroken. In lane 4, Dragonflyz. And in lane 5, Decatur Daily Dominators. Still need all the guys that came and with Trudy this morning to help set up. Please come to the beach area. All right, here they go. They're coming around. Looks so far like maybe number 5, the Daily Dominators, could have a slight lead. Coming toward the halfway point. Looks to be a dead heat. Lane 3, Bunge, We Be Stroken. Lane 5, the Decatur Daily Dominators. But coming on is lane 2, Bow Movement. At the midway, we got a pretty good race going between lane 3, Bunge, We Be Stroken. Lane 2, Bow Movement. Lane 1, M&D Mechanic, like I could, as we move toward the finish.